Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I'm going to share with you 6 Dollar Tree gift basket or gift set ideas for 3 different types of people for gifting for the holiday season. Now these will cost you $10 or under to make, so they are very affordable, but they're definitely going to look high end. So let's get started. For these gift sets, they are for the people who like to be pampered in your life. And I found this cute little cup from Dollar Tree that has the little mittens on them. And I thought it would be a cute idea to do a little hand care or nail care theme inside the cup. So I added some red paper shred to start off with in the cup. And then I picked up this set of nail files with the clippers and I unpackaged them and tied them together and placed them in the cup. Then I added some nail polish to the cup and some nail polish setting spray as well to the cup. I also picked up a set of gloves that I thought would be cute to add to this whole gift set. And then I also picked up the Bolero hand cream set as well, and I took that out of the box so that way I could place that inside the cup. I just moved some things around and everything fit perfectly. And then I just placed the lid right back on the cup. Now I'm just gonna take those gloves and some of this curling ribbon from Dollar Tree in the 3 colors that kind of match the cup, red, blue, and green. And I'm just going to tie the gloves at the wrists onto the straw with those ribbons, and then I'm just gonna curl the ribbons with the end of my scissors. The last thing I did was add these 2 little snowflake ornaments from Dollar Tree. They have an elastic hanger on them, so all I did was stretch out the hangers and place them over the straw and then over the top of the gloves and then around the ribbon, and I just repositioned the snowflakes to the way I like them. And then that was it for this gift set. I think it's perfect for your friend, your neighbor, your coworker, or a teacher for the holidays. For this last pampered theme, I'm going to be doing a sort of facial theme. I also tried to stick with a color for a theme too as well for the gift basket, so everything is cohesive. So for this set, it's going to be in one of these little tins from Dollar Tree. I just took the lid off and taped it to the back side of the box and then added some white paper shred. Now to place inside the box, I'm gonna be doing this paper facial mask by Bolero and then some of this facial serum as well that I found that is by Bolero, and then some of the face scrub by Bolero too. And then I also found this cute little travel aromatherapy diffuser. You just squirt it, it already has the oils in it. I thought that that's just something cute and nice to have to add to this little gift set. Then I'm gonna add one of these face masks that you stick in the freezer and freeze and you put on your face to get all of the puffiness out of your eyes. I love these things and I thought it would be cute to add to the front of the little gift set. So that is what I did here. I did add some more paper shred to the front just to kind of fill it up, and you can also use some double-sided tape or some glue dots to hold everything down. And then I'm going to take this Believe ribbon from Dollar Tree and wrap that around the front, hot glue it underneath. Again, glue dots or tape would work, and then tie a little bow and hot glue that to the top. I also added one of those snowflakes to the top as well, and that was it for this gift set. I think it turned out perfect to give as a gift for the holiday season. For the next gift basket ideas, these are for the beverage connoisseurs. I was inspired by these cocktail mixes I found at Dollar Tree. They have margarita, mojitos, and Cosmos 4-1 cocktail mixes. So I'm just gonna be using the margarita and mojito one for my baskets, and I'm going to be doing 2 separate baskets, one with the clear plastic container from Dollar Tree and one with the white container, white basket from Dollar Tree. I added my paper shred to both of them, and then the margarita glasses also came from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add that to the clear plastic container. That's going to be my margarita basket. And then for the mojitos, I found these pretty blue glasses that went with the whole theme, so I added that to the white basket. And then for adding the mixes, I am just going to place the 2 margarita ones inside the margarita glasses and the 2 mojito ones just inside the basket right in front of the glasses. You could totally do just 1 glass and 1 mix and put in a little plastic bag and tie a little bow and just do like a cocktail for 1 gift if you wanted to lower the cost, but I wanted to do a whole basket. So I found these paper straws at Dollar Tree in the party section. I found like pink ones, they kind of went with the red theme, and then I found these aqua colored ones, and I just took them out of the bags and tied them together with some twine, and then I just placed them inside the containers the way I liked them. Lastly, to add to these baskets, I found these cute little cactus pins and these cute little cactus and succulent notepads. I'm just going to open up the notepads and place those in the baskets and place the pins in the baskets as well. Now, to decorate the baskets and tie everything in, you could definitely add shrink wrap, but I'm just going to be doing ribbons, so I picked up this plaid red and green ribbon at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue a piece around the front of the margarita basket, and then this snowflake ribbon, I'm just going to do the same thing, glue a piece around the mojito basket. Then I decided to make a bow with the rest of the ribbon for the margarita basket. So I just went ahead and made a quick bow, and then I hot glued that to the front of the margarita basket. I didn't make a bow for the mojito basket because that ribbon was a little bit harder to work with and make a bow out of. So it still looks cute though in the end. Now, the only thing that is not from Dollar Tree is these wooden tags, and I got them from Dollar General for $1.50, so they are still well within budget. And I just painted one and distressed it, and then I stained the other one. The one I painted, I added that to the mojito basket. I just used the snowflake ribbon and tied that to the handle, and then I just wrote on the tag a little saying with my Sharpie. For the stained one, I just hung that with some twine onto the margarita basket and wrote Feliz Navidad with a Sharpie paint pen. This last beverage connoisseur gift set is a whiskey gift set, and it was thought of by my husband because Dollar Tree has some awesome things for a whiskey gift set. So we found this ice bucket in the party section at Dollar Tree and filled it with the brown paper shred. And then we also found one of these glass decanters that are really nice. They are decorative, they have designs on them, but they are really thick, nice glass. So I added that to the bucket. And then we found these whiskey glasses. They already have the writing on them, and they are really nice quality, so I added those to the front of the basket. You'll definitely want to use some double-sided tape or some glue dots to hold those in place. Now, for these little containers, they are for the whiskey ice cubes, so just place some water in them, freeze them, and then pop them out, and you have a giant ice cube to put in your whiskey glass. So I popped 2 of those inside the glasses, and then there's some tongs for your ice cubes. So I didn't like the red on them, so I just cut that off and placed the tongs right in the front. To decorate the bucket, I just attached some burlap green ribbon to the back of the bucket with some hot glue, and then attached one of these Dollar Tree picks, and that was it. for the last gift sets, they are for the bakers. I always love getting baking gift sets. I think they are so perfect and I love to bake. So I found this cute little cookie tray at Dollar Tree. They have a ton to choose from. I added the Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix and some of the vanilla funfetti icing to the tray. I just used some tape to tape them down and added a wooden spoon as well. And then I am going to use some shrink wrap to hold everything together and just make it look more festive and nice and put together. So you just tie it at the top and use your hairdryer to shrink it. It's super easy to do and it's so satisfying watching the shrink wrap just shrink into itself and all come together, and it only takes a few minutes. Then I also picked up some cookie cutters from Dollar Tree. I just took those out of the bag and strung them with some twine and then tied them to the top of the shrink wrap. And then for a bow, I have this burlap red polka dot bow. I just made some tails for my bow first by tying a piece of ribbon and dovetailing it. And then I made a bow out of the ribbon, and then I just tied that to the top of the gift set. And again, this is just such a great gift to give somebody with kids or a neighbor or a friend that you know that just likes to bake for the holiday season. For the last baking set, I'm gonna do a brownie baking set. You could definitely do so many different types of baking sets from Dollar Tree because they have cake mix, and you could do cupcakes, or I mean, the options are endless, really. But I decided to do a brownie set for this second one here, just to give you another example. So I got a brownie pan and some brownie mix and then some frosting and a little whisk, and just place that all inside the pan, and I used some tape to hold everything down. And then again, I'm just using that shrink wrap to shrink everything together. Now it is a little bit big, so on the back of the pan, the shrink wrap does bunch up a little bit, but just keep blow drying it and it will lay flat. It'll just be a little bit wrinkly in the back. And then I'm gonna add one of these cute little red truck oven mitts from Dollar Tree with some twine to the front, and use this red truck ribbon to make a bow that I got from Dollar Tree and place that onto the set as well. And I think this looks so stinking cute. I love how it came out, and I can't wait to gift it to somebody. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed these gift ideas and it inspired you to make your own for your friends or family. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays!